In this video, I'll show you how to highlight text with sound effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Before moving further, I just want to create a zoom in effect. Here's what you gotta do. First, select your clip and head on over to the Effect Controls panel. Find the scale option and click on the stopwatch next to it. Then, move your playhead a few seconds ahead and increase the scale value. To make the animation smoother, we gotta add a little something called ease out and ease in, which will make the starting and ending of the animation a bit more gradual and natural. Okay, now it's time to highlight some text. To do that, grab the rectangle tool. You can find it by clicking and holding the shape tool and then selecting the rectangle. Once you've got it, drag the rectangle over the text you want to highlight in the preview screen. Now, let's go over to the Effect Controls panel, where you'll find the shape settings. Adjust those to your liking. I just want to change the fill color of the rectangle to yellow. To really make it pop, scroll down to opacity and change the blend mode to multiply. But wait, there's more. If you want to add some movement to that rectangle, we can animate it from left to right. Start by moving the anchor point to the left edge of the rectangle. Then, in the Effect Controls panel, uncheck Uniform Scale and click the stopwatch next to Horizontal Scale. This will allow you to set keyframes for the animation. For the second keyframe, set the scale width to 0. And don't forget to add ease in and ease out for that smooth animation we love. Now, if you want to adjust the speed of the animation, simply move that second keyframe around. Easy peasy, right? And guess what? You can even highlight multiple lines of text on the same layer. Just duplicate the rectangles and resize them. Make sure to offset the keyframes so each line animates in one after the other. Finally, you can include a sound effect with each animation that begins. And that's how you achieve the final result.